everybody, real quick video here with Mr. B. We have this 2017 Volkswagen Tiguan, and the 12-volt outlets aren't working in it, so the little cigarette lighter outlets are not charging our phones anymore or anything like that. So I just want to show you guys real quick. It's normally a fuse. So the fuse was blown in this. I went ahead and replaced it. I want to show you the location of the fuse and also give you some tips on this stuff. If you constantly have this fuse blowing, you may have further electrical problems, or you may have a problem with your adapter that's going to charge the phone. So let me get my camera and we're going to go underneath the dash and I'll show you exactly where this fuse is. Okay, we are underneath the passenger side of this vehicle, and I have the fuse box cover taken off. You really don't need to take it off though. And this yellow fuse right next to this 15, this 20 amp fuse, is normally the one that blows. It was caused by one of my adapters had shorted out internally. You may also, depending on the equipment on the vehicle, next to this 30, two over from that, you may also have a fuse in there, a 30 amp fuse that may run these items as well. So you may want to check that spot as well. And again, if you are constantly experiencing this problem, you may want to look into the wiring going to the outlet or your adapter that you're using to charge your phone or whatever other device you're using for this 12-volt adapter. So there you have it. That's all I got for you today. If this helped you out, please give me a like and of course subscribe to the channel. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and VK. You can follow me over there. I post a lot of content there. We'll see you next time on Auto Scholar with Mr. B.